Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. Welcome to another today's learning video. In this video, I'm going to tell some key important points which you should definitely consider in this current market condition. Okay, sorry for that. This market condition, you should definitely consider it. Okay, so let's first get to the point. Okay, so many people would have seen this candle, and this is a green candle. Okay, I'll be very clear. This gray candle is a green candle and this black is a red one. So many people would have bought here. Okay, seeing this one candle, they would have entered here. Okay, which is not a bad entry, and this would have been their stop loss below this wick. Okay, so basically this would have been their stop loss. This, just a minute, I'll change this. So this would have been the stop loss, and many people would have been like, okay, I'll buy here. Market's gonna take a U-turn from here. It's gonna breach the 26,500 mark and go some to 1 lakh something. Come on, guys. Market will do that shortly, but will it do it now or not? I don't know. But am I confident to buy, go long? No, I'm not. You know why? I have 4 major reasons why. Okay, first point. Okay, so I'll write it here. So first thing is, point 1 is, let's increase this by 40. Yeah, first point is, yeah, FIIs. Okay, FIIs are taking their money from Indian market. Okay, this is one key reason for me. Okay, and they're investing somewhere else. I don't know where, but they're investing it somewhere else. Okay, and the second point is so many regulatories, guys, so many regulations. Okay, regulations by SEBI, so many regulations for retail investors, for algo traders, a lot of regulations by SEBI where they're just trying to just stop all the retail traders from trading. Okay, they just want to stop all the retail traders to just trade, and they just want institutes and big investors to trade, not the retail investors. See, I'm a retail investor. Okay, I know the problem. Last year, I mean before January, the lot size of Nifty and Bank Nifty used to be 25. Now it's 75. Okay, so last year when I used to buy, I had to pay around 16,000. Let's take an example of 7,000, 8,000. Now I have to pay thrice the amount. 28,000, 30,000 I have to use to buy. Okay, so I have shifted totally into option selling now. Okay, so many regulations which are really irritating, which are not letting retail traders to trade. Okay, so many people are shifting to crypto and forex. Okay, shifting to crypto and forex. So the volumes, okay, so the low volumes in Indian market. So there are low volumes in Indian market. So this is also causing a lot of trouble for Indian traders to trade and for the markets to not move up. Okay, and the fourth point is corporate earning has been horrible. Okay, last quarter corporate earning is horrible. You can go to any I'll give you first. I'll give you an in-depth detail for this FII taking their money. Okay, so if you see this, these ads, man. If you see this, so today again, FIIs have sold around 1,881 crores. Yes, 18th of February they bought around 4,000 crores, but if you see, they've been selling it. This 1,000 crore, this 4,000 crore cannot compensate. Okay, if they reduce more and if they start buying more like this, then we can definitely see some kind of up move. Okay, as I told, I am buying only after this, that is 23,900 and above, not 800 and above, 23,900 and above, not even 900, guys. Let's be very honest. I'm buying only about 23,000. Let's keep 24,000. I'm buying only after 24,000. Okay, I'm not buying before that at all. Before that, market's gonna be sideways. Like, market's going to be a roller coaster. Okay, it is gonna go up, like it's gonna go up from here and come down, then up, then down, up, down, and we don't know where it's gonna go. Only if it breaks, comes down, I'll buy here. Or if it breaks this level, I'll buy here. Okay, here I have no trades at all. Okay, so this is about market going up or not. I don't know. So let's be very clear. I'm not buying anywhere here. Okay, this is the first reason. FIs are taking all their monies from Indian markets and they're putting it in some other markets. Okay. Second thing is regulations by SEBI for the traders. They have a lot of regulations. Okay, algo trading for retail traders. If you just go inside SEBI, like there are some. To be honest, if you open these regulations, you'll find a page which has written a lot of technical things which everybody cannot understand. But to tell you, they've increased the lot sizes, they've increased the margin requirement, and a lot of things. They've changed a lot of things. They've removed a lot of expiries. Okay, so all these things plays a very very key role when it comes to retail traders are ready to trade in this market or not. So they've done all this, so retail traders are getting smashed by every angle. Okay, from every angle we are getting crushed. So that is another reason I don't think market is going to go up. Okay, so third reason is people are shifting. Okay, because of so many regulations, they are shifting from Indian markets. They're going to crypto and forex. And again, they've passed a rule for crypto. It was 30% earlier. Now they've raised it to 70%. Okay, which is a lot. Okay, so I'm not trading in crypto, guys. I'm not trading in forex. I'm just trading Indian markets, and I'm waiting for an opportunity for me to go swing trade, or I'm waiting for like what to say, for them to reduce the lot size in options like Nifty or Bank Nifty, so I can trade like peacefully. Because of the increased lot size, I have to bear more losses. Okay, see, if you go here, you can see the regulatories here. Okay, yeah, you can see here they have written a lot of technical things which they have mentioned here, which is it's tough for normal people to read. Like if you're into markets and if you have some CA or somebody, he can read it and tell you whatever it is, or if you want you can just go Google it or YouTube it. There you'll get it very easily. Okay, so for that we can just ignore this now, but this is another reason why it's not going up. And so people, another thing is, when people are shifting to crypto and forex, the volumes in Indian markets is becoming very low, so we don't see movements, we don't see what to say, we don't see any liquidity, lot of liquidity is being taken out in the market. So even the buyers and sellers, the big investors also are scared to enter and exit the market. Okay, that is another problem. Okay, so let's go to the fourth problem, the corporate earning. Okay, so last quarter's corporate earning has been horrible. Okay, it has been very horrible for many companies. If you go and see this Reliance Infra, so this, look at this, Everest and Dish TV, Aston Papers, a lot of stocks. Okay, they've hit a bottom, guys. Many stocks, many good fundamentally strong stocks. See, these are few stocks which I would see. It was here, I was about to enter here, I entered, stop loss hit, which is horrible. Again here, okay, I'm ready to enter here, but see, old trend has become invalid. Okay, because the trend is broken, see for sell setup. Okay, we'll see for sell setup. Valid support because stock price is in downtrend. Okay, this is a very valid support. This has to break for me to look for a short, or this high has to be broken for me to go long in this stock. And most of the stocks, if you see, most of the stocks have come down like very low, guys. It's too low. Okay, and if you are an investor or a trader, I would tell you only one thing: don't buy the dip now. Okay, avoid buying the dip. If you're doing SIPs, if you're doing mutual funds, please go ahead with it. That is a totally a good thing to do. But if you're buying the dip, don't do it. Okay, guys, so in this video I just wanted to tell you guys, don't get into trades for now. Just hold for a while. Let's see what the market is doing. I want at least one weekly candle to close above this so I can be confident enough. Okay, I should see a weekly candle closing like this above this black candle. It should close. Then if it breaches this, I'll go long. Till then, I am not trading these markets. And if you are holding any stocks, you can hold it. But if you feel like I don't see any future in this market, you can exit it. This is the best thing I can tell you. But the volumes are bad, regulations are very high. I would ask you to just shift to different country where they allow you to trade forex if you really want to be a trader, or go do some other business, guys, because this market, it's not for Indian traders. They're not going to let you trade. Okay, so this has become a rant video basically. I wanted this to be a today's learning video, but sadly this has become a rant video. Not only me, okay, so I don't have any stocks in my account, but many of my friends, they have a lot of stocks in account which are really looking on a very horrible state. Okay, yesterday one of my friend called, he's like, dude, I'm unable to see my portfolio is negative 3 to 4 lakhs. He's not that well to do, okay, and he invested seeing the good returns on good markets, but now people are crying. So I don't know, guys. Let's see how this market's gonna go, and let's see how the Indian market's gonna react in coming days. And thank you so much. If you guys like this content, please like, share, and subscribe, and do support. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you that you stayed for this long and watched this video, and it has turned into a very bad rant, I know. Take care. See you.